Hello, people. Welcome to my screen on Forest Talk. Now, on this video, I will like to talk about my favorite pair that I have been highlighting for the past few weeks ago. One of my favorite pairs are the USOIL, AUDCF, and EURCHF. So, without wasting much time, let's quickly dive into the chart and see how they have played out for the following week and how we expect them to also play out for the coming week. So without wasting much time, let's start off with US oil. On my chart, we have US oil on the daily time frame. So let's go to the weekly time frame to analyze the key. I have done my analysis before on US oil that US oil is pointing to the upside. So let's go back again to the higher time frame to still analyze again so that we can get the flow of the trend. Now on the weekly time frame, you can see that on the weekly time frame, US oil is bullish, is on a bullish trend, creating consecutive series of higher highs and higher lows. We have used the Fibonacci right here. Come on. Yeah. Now I use the Fibonacci from right here to see the next movement after this. So, let me take this off. Okay. Now we use the Fibonacci right here from the point of the swing low to the swing high. Good. So now we can see that the next Fibonacci level is pointing here around around $164 per barrel on US oil. So this is the next level target. This is the push to the upside. This is a push to the upside. This is a retracement, and this is the next push to the upside. After this, after this retracement is done, the next level on US oil is this key level of resistance here. We have done that from the higher time frame. We have seen what we need to see. I have been analyzing. I have been calling US oil to the upside based on what I have seen on the weekly time frame, on the higher time frame. So now let me take out this and scale down to the various time frame to see in details. Now on the weekly time frame right here, as you can see, we have US oil has been moving sideways, up and down in between the key level of support right here and the key level of resistance. Now, why it has been moving sideways, we have a smaller sideways movement too right here. This is a smaller time. This is a smaller sideways movement. In between the big sideways movement, we have a small sideways movement too forming now. And in the past, I also say that in the past, why and I also said that in the past, why this sideways movement was forming, that I remember that I said that when we see a breakout of this sideways movement, US oil price is going to what? Push up to the upside. Reason because while it was in this way, it has been gathering momentum to push to the upside, and when that happened, US oil price blow out right there. Now, while it was going, I expected to see a pullback. I expected to see a pullback to this yellow bar right here, on the 4 hour time frame, on the lower time frame, but the pullback did not happen right here on this minor level of resistance. Let this previous level of resistance some support. I was expecting that, but that did not happen on the lower time frame, and all US oil could do was to push to the upside. Now, while it was going, it encountered a strong level of a strong manual level of resistance, and that manual level of resistance ejected that price to the downside. Now closing with what? A bearish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. Let me zoom up properly for you to see. Now as you can see, this is a bearish engulfing candle. The previous week has engulfed the previous week. I mean, the last week that the last market week has engulfed the previous week. This is a weak rejection. The last market week engulfed it with a strong bearish engulfing candle. This is a healthy candle. This is a bearish engulfing candle. So this is telling us that US oil price is coming down here to this minor level of support. Let previous level of resistance turn support. So let's scale down to the daily time frame to see what is happening right here. To see what is happening right there in on details, then we can jump in for the buy. Remember, this is a retracement. Remember, okay, let me bring it down properly. Remember, this is a retracement from the higher time frame on the weekly time frame. This is a push. You have used the Fibonacci, and the next Fibonacci level is pointing right here. This is a push. This is a retracement. When this is cleared out, we should see US oil price jumping to this key level of resistance right here. Now, let's go down to the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, we can see in details of what the weekly have tell us. This was a minor range that I was saying. In between the bigger range, we have a smaller range right here. Let me highlight that out. This is a range right here. Now this is a range. And I said that when the range break out, US oil price is going to pop to the upside. Now I was expecting a pullback right here. Let this previous resistance level, let this level of resistance turn support properly, then US oil should keep blowing to the upside. But why it pop out, it came shy of this level, could not tested that level properly for previous support, for previous resistance to turn support. It came shy right here and it continued to fire up to the upside. Now, while it was going to the upside, US oil come to its key level of minor level of resistance, and that level of resistance rejected that price from going higher. In the past there was a cluster of rejection right here. This is the main level of resistance right here. This level of resistance held US oil price at this area right here, and it pushed the price down. This was a bearish engulfing candle. This red push down was a bearish engulfing candle that we see on the weekly time frame, and is pointing to the upside. This is telling us that US oil is coming right here to this previous level. Let previous level of resistance right here, and let it turn support properly before we see US oil pointing back to the upside. So we have seen what we need to see on the weekly time frame, and now on the daily time frame we have seen what we need to see. Now let's scale down to the forward time frame to see in details of what the daily information has told us. Now on the forward time frame, like I've said, now on the forward time frame, this yellow bar right here was a strong minor level of resistance that rejected that price to push back to this level right here. US oil price is coming right here. Now, now on the forward time frame, now on the forward time frame, when price gets here, this level rejected that price, and it formed with a trend reversal. This is an head and shoulder chart pattern to push to the outside. This was a left shoulder, this is a head, this is the right shoulder, and we have a breakout of it. On my last video, I said that it is possible for US oil price to get here and push back to the upside. And I said with a decision factor that if we can see a clear breakout right here, we need to see a daily candle break above the if we need to see a daily candle break below this yellow bar right here. If we can see a daily candle break below this yellow bar right here, we should see US oil pushing down to this level right here. And that happened, like I've said it. Doubt me, go watch my previous video on US oil, you see there. So now this was the neckline of the head and shoulder. This is the right shoulder. I mean, this is the left shoulder. This is the head right here, and this is the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And the neckline has been broken, and what US oil price is melting to this level right here. Personally, I am on this trade right now, and I have locking my profit. I am on break even. So I entered somewhere around here. I entered early. I entered somewhere around here. 4 hour candle break and 4 hour candle break and close. I entered here and bam bam bam. Price is currently here. And I have moved my stop loss to break even. I am risk free on this trade. Now, now how can we join this? Okay, how can we join this US oil price to this side again? To this yellow bar right here, because price is still coming down here. So how can we join this trade again? So let's scale down to the 1 hour time frame to see how we can join the trade for another position. Now now on the 1 hour time frame now on the 1 hour time frame now on the 1 hour time frame, this the market has created a now on the price has been pushing down. Look at it, it's coming right there. So now, right here is to see price. We need to see price break and close below this yellow bar right here. Because good. Now we need to see price break and close below this yellow bar right here to see US oil price coming down here. This is a minor level of support that market has created. We need to see US oil price breaking this yellow bar right here, closing below it to see it. If that can happen, if that should happen, we should see US oil price coming down here. Price can get here and push up again. So now as it is now, we need to see US oil price break below right here and we sell back again, and what we can enter for another position to this yellow bar right here. So that is that on US oil. US oil price US oil price is on a retracement to feel a minor level of to feel a minor level of support. Let this previous resistance right here turn support properly before US oil price will push back up. So we have seen it on the higher time frame. The trend is bullish. Now it's ranging. It was ranging in between the key level, in between the major level of support and resistance. US oil price was ranging right there. Now we have a smaller range that was forming in between those levels, and this was a smaller range right here, and this is a smaller range right here. This was a smaller range right here. Price break out of it. It come to hit a strong level of resistance, and that level of resistance rejected that price to the downside. So this is currently what pushing to this key level of to this minor level of support right here. Previous resistance is coming to turn support. Then US oil price will continue going higher. So that's on US oil. So let's move next to EURCHF. So let's move next to the EURCHF. I have been calling EURCHF to the upside. So let's go to the weekly time frame to analyze again to get the flow properly. EURCHF from the higher time frame, we can see that EURCHF is on a bearish trend. EURCHF is on a bearish trend. EURCHF is on a bearish trend right here, getting consecutive series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. We have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a trend reversal right here on this key level of of support. Price came shy of this level right here, could not get here, came shy, push it back again to attempt it again, could not break any further lower. It pushed up again, attempt it again for multiple times, could not break lower, and that level was strong to push that price lower, and what a trend reversal was formed right there. So let me check properly and see that the trend is indeed a downtrend. So now we have used the trend line. We have seen everything is what is pointing to downside. So now we have, okay, come on, let me adjust this page properly. Now we have the first touch of this trend line right here, second touch. Upon the third touch, price has not get there yet. So we leave that alone. So now let's work with the what with the inner trend line. We have the inner trend line right here. We have the first touch, price was rejected. Second touch, price was rejected. Third touch, price was also rejected, pushing the price to the downside. And what price is currently going for the fourth touch, and we should see the fourth touch price should what breaking higher. Now, now, now with the inner trend line too, with the small inner trend line, we have the first touch rejection, second touch rejection, and upon the fourth touch rejection, price has break out of that level and what is pointing to the upside. So now let's go to the daily time frame now to see in details on what we have been talking about. Now on the daily time frame, you can see properly. Now I have been calling EURCHF to the upside. If you have been following my videos, I have been calling EURCHF to the upside. Now in between now as you can see right here on daily time frame, we have a sideways movement of price. Price has been moving sideways. We have a sideways movement. Look at it for long, sideways movement, sideways movement, sideways movement. So in the sideways movement, it blows out to attempt this key level of support, could not break lower. It came again, attempted again, forming what a trend reversal. This is a double bottom, and price entered again as what it was moving sideways before eventually breaking out of that trend and is pointing upside. And also I also say that in my previous videos, I also said that we need to see a daily candle break and close outside this yellow bar right here for what to see price pushing to the upside. It took us some time for that to happen, and eventually Euro share price has indeed break out on the daily time frame. We have a bullish engulfing candle. Look at it, look at it, look at it. This is a bullish engulfing candle coming. This is a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. This is telling us that when the new market week open, we should see more of buys on what on Euro share. We should see more of buy on Euro share. But mind you, previous resistance, this was a resistance. Previous resistance should turn support, and what we should continue. It might not happen now. It might get here. It might get here before push it back down again. Let me adjust the screen properly. Let me come again. We have the first touch, price was rejected. Second touch, price was also rejected. And upon the third touch here, price was also rejected. That level rejected that price. And for the fourth touch, price breakout came back again to test the outer part of the trend line before pushing back up. Why it was going, it encountered a strong minor level of resistance, and that level of resistance was resisting that price from going higher, and eventually price has broken out. Now price is coming for this middle inner trend line for the fourth attempt. For the fourth attempt right here, you should see a pullback right here. The pullback might not happen now. It might get here and price should what? Should pull back. Now, sometimes the pullback that we are waiting for might not come. Now, and sometimes price can break out of a level and it will pull back immediately. Sometimes price can break out of a level and it will not pull back. It will just keep going like that, just like it happened on USOIL. Now, definitely, we should definitely Euro share price is coming here to this key level of resistance right here. So now, as it is now, daily time frame have told us that okay, daily time frame has given us a push. We have a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame on Euro share pointing to the upside. So now, all we have to do is go to the forward to the lower time frame to see how we can jump in on Euro share. So let's go to the forward time frame. Now on the forward time frame, me also personally, I am on this trade as well. I am on this trade as well. When I saw this bullish engulfing candle on the forward time frame, I jumped in for a buy to the upside. Reason because I have been monitoring the market and I have been calling Eagle share to the upside, waiting for the daily candle to break and close this yellow bar properly, and that happened, and I jumped in for a buy to the upside. So right now, I'm currently on this buy right now to this level right here. So everything is good to go. Eagle share price is good to go now. So now as it is now, we should see a pullback right here properly. The, we should see a pullback right here. Let minor level of resistance turn support to push price back up. But as it is now, due to the strong momentum that EURCHF is having, we might not see that pullback now. It might be later. It might get here. It might get to this trend line right here, and this trend line might push the price back down. Yeah, and also it can get here and what and the market can hurt. It might get to this trend line and the market can hurt like it did not even see this trend line and it will just blow out to this key level of resistance. But well, above all, price is currently coming right here. Price is currently what coming right here. We have seen what we need to see. Everything is pointing up to the upside. I am calling US oil to the upside, Euro share to the upside, and indeed that has happened. Price is currently what pointing to the upside with the strong momentum. When the new market week open, Euro share price should keep jumping to the upside right here. So I don't want to make this video to be too long. So if you have watched this video to this very end, please drop a comment, share, and like this video. And I urge you to smash the follow button and the subscribe button right there to help my page grow. Thank you for watching to this very end. See you in the next video and peace out.